This video shows you how to set up Mobicip in parent mode on your iPhone or iPad. Download Mobicip from App Store on your iPhone or iPad and open the app to select Parent as the primary user. Log in with your Mobicip account or create one. Follow the prompts to create an account. Don't forget to select a cool profile pic for yourself. Choose a plan for the number of devices in your family. Select Add Children to create a persona for each of your children. You will need to set up at least one child profile at a minimum. Create the persona and set the age, and Mobicip will automatically configure age-appropriate restrictions. You may customize the restrictions now, or save and revisit this later. To add another child, select My Mobicip, My Family from the menu, and tap Plus at the bottom. Install and activate Mobicip in child mode on each family device you wish to protect.